So parami ng parami para makabuti po, nagsulputan itong mga illegal structures doon po sa Mount Apo. Di ba? You're supposed to be tinatawag nating tagabantay ng ating kalikasan, pero parang bantay sa lakay po ang dating nyo dito. Itong mga tagapamo na may jurisdiction sa Mount Apo, pagsisibakin mo. Totoo, hindi ako nagbibiro. Dahil kapag hindi mo pagsisibakin yan, pagdududahan ng mga tao, hanggang sa kataas-taasan, tumatanggap din.
Yes, Your Honor.
Prove to us na malinis kayo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Na protector talaga kayo ng environment.
That's one of the areas we'd like to recommend na matulungan po kami ng Senado.
Sir,
to
there's
increase
such
our-
thing as
our-
drone. Pwede mo lang kayo gumamit ng drone para ma-monitor yung the whole area, kahit na ilang hektarya pa yan, kahit na thousands of hectares yan. Kung gusto maraming paraan, kung ayaw maraming dahilan, di po ba? 97 po yung mga structures nandoon around Mount Apo, covered ng reserve area. Bakit po 6 lamang po ang nabigyan ng ECC at karamihan ay walang ECC at in process? Ano po yung plano nyo doon? Actually, 57 wala pong ECC, 32 in process, and then 6 lang ang may ECC. So, what's the game plan?
Thank you, Madam Chair, and thank you, Senator. I will turn over to Red Dumagan. That is part of her presentation on Mount Apo, and she can respond directly to the questions. Red?
Yes, Your Honor. It was just, we strengthened our conduct of monitoring and inventory sometime in 2018 and 2019, and these establishments were discovered. And so these establishments applied for PAMBI clearance with the PAMBI. So they were also given clearance, and then they were encouraged to then apply for ECC.
Yeah, nabigyan kasi ng clearance ng PAMBI, pero alam naman po natin within the protected area yan, at alam naman natin na dapat wala sila doon, and yet we continue entertaining their application and saying that it's in process. So ibig sabihin may balak tayong bigyan pa sila. So parami ng parami para makabuti po, nagsulputan itong mga illegal structures doon po sa Mount Apo. At kapag kami po ay magtawag sa inyo, sa DNR, nagtuturoan po kayo. Yung pong masakit eh. Di ba? You're supposed to be, tinatawag nating tagabantay ng ating kalikasan, pero parang bantay sa lakay po ang dating nyo dito. So what are your plans with pertaining to these structures na walang ECC? At itong may structures na pinoprocess palang ECC?
There are 53 latest update, Your Honor.
57. 57.
Sir, may ECC na po yung iba. Apo.
Okay.
So, 34 with PAMBI clearance and no ECC. 53 are without PAMBI clearance and no ECC.
So anong balak nyo po dito sa wala pang clearance? At
We
walang
have,
ECC at alam nyo po na bawal, dapat wala sila doon. So anong plano?
Yes.
Kasi we were told na bigyan daw ng 2 years. Sabi po ng DNR, bibigyan daw po ng 2 years palugit itong mga walang ECC to continue to operate. Ang binigay at ang rason para makabawi daw doon sa kanilang tinayo, sa kanilang investment. In the first place, ba't sila pinayagan na tumayo doon? Sana, hanggat hindi po sila nakakuha ng permit, ng ECC permit, hindi dapat sila pinapayagan magpatayo ng struktura doon. Kaya nga binanggit mo kanina, monitoring, wala kayong ginagawang proper monitoring.
sir, to answer the question as to what do we do with those without ECC, we are going to issue notices of violation.
Notices of violation.
Yes,
Hanggang
and-
doon lang po.
Sa walang mga PAMBI clearance, mag-issue po kami ng mga...
Teka muna. So, issue of notice of violation.
Yes po.
Okay. So, hanggang doon lang. Notice of violation. And then what, ma'am?
And then they will be called for a technical conference, and if for the conduct of case built up, but if they can explain properly, or if it is deemed that the project is not detrimental to the environment, they can be issued ECC.
Ma'am,
Place, dapat hindi nabigyan, napatayo yun. Oh. I think your problem, Secretary Loizaga, your regional is very poor, or walang concern sa ginagawa nyo. I think the regional is kasi pag pinag-report mo sila ng pinag-report, yung report nila nakakatawa eh. Bakit mo pababayaan na walang ECC at walang PAMBI tatayo? Oh.
Di-
So
di ba-
you're not watching over it?
Ma'am,
di
di ba sabi mo kanina, meron kayo ginagawa monitoring dito sa mga struktura na itinatayo sa mga protected areas? Okay, kung meron kayong ginagawa monitoring, dapat itong 57 na structures na nakatayo na ngayon doon, hindi dapat nangyari ito. Dapat napigilan to. Ang ginawa nyo, pinayagan nyo magpatayo dyan, and then pinoprocess nyo while processing their application. Dapat mag-apply muna sila, once na-approve na application nila, saka pa lang sila magpatayo ng struktura. Yun po dapat ang patakaran. Yun po yung standard. Ang nangyari, pinapayagan nyo na magtayo dyan, and siguro, alam mo na ang dahilan. Sa magkano kadahilanan, siguro po, ang katanungan ko doon, follow up.
With your indulgence, Madam Chair, can I say something po regarding Mount Apo? Just to answer the query of the good senator.
Kasi parang wala silang pakialam. Tumayo ka ng tumayo dyan. Kahit walang ECC, walang PAMBI, wala silang pakialam. You cannot do that. You cannot do that.
Dati rin siya, Madam Chair, na red doon sa 11, kaya pwede rin siyang sumagot.
Madam Chair, sir, just to go on further, the Red Dumagan was saying, actually po, the region issued 57 show-cause orders already and 24 notice violations and 7
But
cease and
you should
desist
not
orders.
to build. Kasi pag allow mo na to build, mahirap nang tanggalin. Yun ang
Correct.
problema.
Madam Chair, we agree.
Dapat kayo, hindi nyo ina-allow to build. Kasi pag nag-build na yan, tell it to the Marines.
Okay.
Napakahirap magtanggal niyan. Walang
Miss-
gagawa niyan.
Yusek Fragada,
Yes, sir.
meron kayong monitoring team kung tawagin. Ano pong tawag sa monitoring team nyo? Can you give me the
Sir,
exact
it's
name?
through the Protected Area Management Office po. Meron po sila.
Anong tawag?
PAMO Office po.
PAMO Office.
Yes,
What
and-
does PAMO stands for?
Protected Area Management Office.
Okay, sila
all
sa
the
monitoring.
Yes, sir.
So, kailangan itong mga taga-PAMO na may jurisdiction sa Mount Apo, pagsisibakin mo. Totoo, hindi ako nagbibiro. Dahil kapag hindi mo pagsisibakin yan, pagdududahan ng mga tao, hanggang sa kataas-taasan, tumatanggap din.
Yes, Your Honor.
Prove to us na malinis kayo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Na protector talaga kayo ng environment.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kasi tama nga naman sinasabi din ni Senator Cynthia na in the first place, hindi niya sana pinayagan yun na makapagpatayo yan. Sinasabi kanina papaulit-ulit, kailangan permit muna bago structure. Dito, nangyari, structure muna saka mag-apply ng permit. Tapos in process pa yung permit, etc. O ngayon, 57, paano pa ito pasasara itong 57 ito at sinabihan kami na give them 2 years daw.
We agree, Your Honor, with your recommendation. One of the problems actually, and we'd like to recommend to the Senate to help us with this, nabanggit niyo po yung constitution ng PAMO office. For Mount Apo per se, we only have around one plantilla officer there and around maybe 30 job orders po na umiikot over
So, ibig sabihin po, 31 ang
62,000.
empleyado niyo sa monitoring.
Po, 62 over, they have to monitor 62,000 hectares of Mount Apo po. So, that's one of the areas we'd like to recommend na matulungan po kami ng Senado
Sir,
to
there's
increase
such thing as
our
drone.
people.
Pwede mo lang kayo gumamit ng drone para ma-monitor yung the whole area kahit na ilang hektarya pa yan, kahit na thousands of hectares yan. Kung gusto maraming paraan, kung ayaw maraming dahilan, di po ba?
Yes, sir. Actually po, this year, because of the budget, would increase the budget on the drones were increased para nga po
Sir,
further ma-monitor.
Sir, we were not born yesterday. All of us were not born yesterday here. Alam ng DNR na itong 57 na mga illegal structures na tinayo doon ay hindi dapat naroon. Pinayagan nila, sabi kanina, sa magkanong kadahilanan. Dahil kapag hindi, sila ay diretso lamang, hindi sana natayo itong mga structures na ito. Ngayon, mahirapan kayo patanggal to. Nakatayo na eh. Di po ba?
Yes,
So
sir.
sabi ko, yung mga taga-PAMO nyo, sir, disiplinahin nyo yun. Dahil sigurado ako, kasabot yun ng mga nagpatayo ng illegal structures.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor. We will do that.
Salamat, Madam Chair.
Mahina.